some of you already know, I work at Victoria's Secret. So this video is going to be explaining about different bra sizes and different kinds of bras, how to know if you're wearing the wrong bra size, how to measure yourself for a bra, and what kind of underwear to wear, when, and why. Did you know that most women are actually not wearing the right bra size? Slipping bands that cut into the skin, spilling out of the cup or having too much room in the cup, bands that leave an indentation or bands that move all around during the day are all signs and symptoms that you're actually wearing the wrong bra size. But never fear, today I'm going to show you how to measure yourself for a bra size in the comfort of your own home. So, first off, you're going to want to get a measuring tape, and you need it to be flexible so that it can follow the curves of your body and accurately measure your distance. So first, you're going to measure yourself around about here, and this is going to give you your band size. Band sizes, I believe the smallest one is a 28, and then it goes 30, and then it goes 32. And 32 is the smallest that most stores are going to carry. So if you have a 28 or a 30 band size, you can either shift up and wear a 32 band size and adjust the cup accordingly, which I'll explain later. Or you can specially order your bras from online somewhere, like a boutique or something. Next, you're going to measure yourself around the fullest part of your breast. The difference in inches between here and here is going to give you your cup size. So if the difference is 0, you have a double A cup. If the difference is 1, you have an A cup. If the difference is 2, you're a B, 3, you're a C, 4, you're a D, 5, you're a double D, 6, you're a triple D. And beyond that, I think it goes E, F, G, the rest of the alphabet. I know in my particular Victoria's Secret, the largest bra that we carry is a 38 triple D. There are sizes that are larger than that, but just like people on the opposite side of the spectrum, you have the options either to compensate in the band or in the cup somewhere, or you would order from a specialty boutique or something like that. Okay, so now I'm going to talk about sister sizes. Your sister size is a size that you don't measure as, but it's a size that's very, very similar to yours. So let's say you're a 34C and you're in the mall and you're searching and looking for your size and it's all sold out because it's a very popular size and you're like,
oh my gosh, what am I gonna do? Like, it's an emergency that I have a bra right now, today, right this second.
What you can do is you can look for a size 32D bra. And the reason why that works is because there's no set size that equals a D or equals a C. You know, there's no one breast that's just automatically this size. Bras are made to compensate for the difference between here and like your décolletage and then the fullest part of your breast. So if you're a 34C, going down in the band to a 32 means that you can go a little bit up in the cup to a D because it just kind of evens out, if you will. You could also decide to go up in the band and down in the cup and go to a 36B. So then your band would be a little larger. So therefore you would need a smaller cup to keep everything pretty much in the same kind of area as a 34C. So now you know how to find your sister size in the mall. I know a lot of times people come in with like a really popular size and a certain color is sold out in their size. I always tell them about their sister size so that they can look in another drawer and see if they can find another bra, another option. And some people like their sister size actually better than their measure size. Like some people will measure as a 34C all day long, but they just like the fit and feel of a 32D better. So it's up to you. At work, I often get asked, what kind of bra do I wear with this dress? Or what kind of underwear do I wear with these kinds of pants in this color? So now I'm gonna tell you guys what underwear to wear, when, and why. So if you are wearing something strapless, you can go for either a strapless bra, something called sticky boobs, which can be found at my store, Victoria's Secret, or Walmart, or you could go for a bra called a multi-way, which has fully adjustable straps. So it can be like a regular bra, a racer back, a halter, or you can take the straps off. I personally always recommend getting a multi-way bra to all of my customers that are like, oh, I want a strapless bra, because you get way more use out of it. Like if you can take the straps on and off and like kind of switch them around and stuff like that, you can get way more wear out of that bra, and it's not only being pulled out for when you're wearing something strapless. So my personal recommendation, if you're trying to get a bra for something strapless, I would go for a multi-way bra. And I don't know really if you can get them easily in other stores, but you can definitely find them easily at Victoria's Secret. Another question that I get asked a lot about underwear is what color underwear you should wear under white. Always wear nude under white. Don't ever in your life wear black under white. That is a glamour don't. So stay away from wearing black or colors under white. Always wear nude under white. If you're wearing tight pants or like a bodycon dress or a tight skirt, go for either a thong or a V-string, because you do not want to get panty lines. And if you're not comfortable wearing either a thong or a V-string panty, then you can go for something seamless. They don't have like those little edges on them. It's just like really super flat all the way across, so that way you're not going to get panty lines, because panty lines are another glamour don't. Hopefully this video helped you guys to kind of assess the bras in your own wardrobe and figure out if you're wearing the wrong size. Hopefully now you know how to measure yourself for a bra, so you can know exactly what size you are. If you gain weight or lose weight, sometimes that can fluctuate. And hopefully none of you will be committing any glamour don'ts in the future now that you know what underwear to wear, when, and why. Thank you so much for watching. I love you. Mwah!